I will tell you this. Make it a hair growing race because you've already won. Never run another man's race. See, because if you get good at my race, I'm going to change the rules. I'll say second win. You lose. And what happens is we got kids in school trying to run the race of their friends instead of running their own race. Trying to be another kind of hero when they got a hero inside of them that somebody else needs. So your specific hero is specific for somebody on this earth that needs you. And as you learn throughout this conference, throughout every workshop, throughout every activity that you do, I want you to recognize that somebody needs your specific hero. Somebody's going to run to you because I will have scared them with this. And they're going to be like, that scares me. What can I do? And you're going to be like, you know, that's one kind of hero. That's Electric Man. What you need is Aqua. And you guys need to establish that thing that you do so good. Be an encourager. Be someone that's going to upgrade and help somebody and make them better. Make yourself shine on purpose.